Hey guys, I'm Mav. Welcome to my channel where I seemingly customize just random stuff. I hope that you like our project today. If you do, be sure to hit the like button. Before we start the video, I got one question for you. Have you guys ever seen a tabletop that was inspired by a shoebox? Alright you guys, so today we're going to be making a desktop. A lot of people, including me, are using these lifetime plastic tables as a desk. And they work okay as far as desks go, but I have an idea that might make them a little better. I've had some trouble writing on them because of the texture of the table. And some of them have a slit in the middle, and so they break in half and have a little gap in between the two halves. And the most important part is they look kind of dumb. So I plan on fixing all those problems. And I don't know why, but for whatever reason, this shoebox is what inspired me to do this. I just really like the box. So the plan is just to grab some 1/2-inch MDF plywood, cut it out, paint it, epoxy it, and just set it on top of this table to make a desktop. So I drew up some designs to help me see how big I wanted my stencil to be. At first I wanted the Nike sign coming off the side of the table, just like the box. But after drawing up a sketch, I realized that I didn't really like that. So I think I'm going to go with the more centered look rather than off the side. Okay, so it's a new day. I just got back from Home Depot. I wasn't happy with the spray paint that I used. You can't really tell in the sun, but there's a ton of lines in it. It didn't lay very flat like I wanted it to, and the color's a little off. So I went to Home Depot and got the closest color that I could get. Ended up being, what is this? Green Parakeet. But anyways, we're gonna lay it on right now and see how it turns out. What do you guys think? Pretty sweet, huh? Yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. So the biggest concern I had was making the table not shift or move at all. And with the yoga mat underneath it, it doesn't shift at all. This thing does not budge. Not even a little bit. Even with nothing on it, this thing does not move. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. I didn't have to glue it or anything. It just stays in place on its own. If I were to do this again, I would be hesitant with the heat gun. Just be careful. I did have a couple spots where I burnt the epoxy and just had some discoloration. And that's about it. Make sure you use just normal drywall household paint for the base coat on the wood. And then you can use spray paint for the stencil on top. That seemed to work really well. I also had a hard time deciding between this blue and an orange. The orange also would have turned out pretty sick. Orange is kind of the Nike's staple, I guess, for boxes, I would say. But let me know what you think. Would you prefer an orange Nike tabletop or a blue Nike tabletop? Subscribe if you're cool. If you're not cool, subscribe anyways, I guess. I mean, it couldn't hurt. I'll catch you guys next time. Love you, bye.